Hi friends, myself Suresh Parmar from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Class 4, subject Maths, Unit number 1, Building with Bricks. Topics covered: face of a brick, wall pattern, jali pattern, net pattern, Jharokha pattern, and arc pattern. How to draw a brick. In the previous video we already learned about it, how to draw a brick. I also explained the 3 ways to draw a brick in the previous video. Here there are 2 photos of a brick is given. Look at the picture, this one and this one. There are 2 photos of a same brick is given. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. See, here we see only the one face of a brick. In the other we can see 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3. Circle the photo showing 3 faces. So which brick has 3 faces? So obviously first one has 3 faces. That's why I circle on it. With the help of this you have to give the answer of the following given question. Look at the first question is, how many faces in all does a brick have? Can you tell me how many faces have a brick? Yes, good. Now look at the, we count it, 1, 2, 3, at this side 4, 5, and under the second it is 6. So we write here 6 faces of a brick. Then the second question is any face a square? Can you found a square in a brick? Yes. So it is this part of a brick we found in a square. So we write yes for the second question. Draw the smallest face of the brick. So I draw here the smallest face of a brick. Look at the smallest face of a brick. Now here the next question is given, which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark a tick mark. Which of these are the faces of a brick? So far here there are many faces is given, so you found only the faces of a brick and tick right mark on it. Yes, third number, very good. Then fourth number is also right, and the last number. So there are three faces of a brick is given in these following faces. Now next question, which of these is a drawing of a brick? Mark a right. So here there are 5 drawing of a brick is given, so you only tick right the correct drawing of a brick. Yes, the first one is not right because it is in a circle form, that's why we not tick on it. Then the second one, yes, it is look like a brick, so we write on it. Third number, it is also not a drawing of a brick. Fourth number, yes, it is a drawing of a brick. Now the next question, make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. Try it from your home to draw the picture given in your notebook with 3 of its faces. Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. So we write no for it. Then a wall that will not fall. One day Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. See, the two picture of brick pattern is given here, wall pattern is given here. This one made by Zainab and the second one is made by Munia. Now tell me, which pattern is do not fall? Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other as Munia has done. See, masons are not put one brick on the other brick because it is very easy to fall down it. But Zainab put bricks correctly. That's why Zainab said that her wall will not fall easily. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Yes? Tell me. Which one is stronger? Yes, very good. Zainab wall pattern is very stronger. That's why we write here Zainab. Look for walls where you can see different brick pattern. Now next point, different wall patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the brick are placed? Look at the picture of a wall pattern. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. See, match it with correct wall pattern given below. So first wall pattern I found in the second photo, so I match with it. Then the second one I found in first, and then the third one I found in the last one. So this is the correct brick pattern. Then jali patterns on the wall. We see in our around us many jali patterns on the wall. Look at the picture given here. The first one, the second, third and fourth. There are 4 picture I taken here of jali pattern. See this one. These are the jali of a wall. The second, see here jali pattern created with the help of different bricks. Then third number, look at the third one. Here with the help of bricks jali pattern is created here. Then in this building we also found many jali pattern, many different types of jali pattern. Then our next pattern is Jarokha pattern. Jarokha pattern, so see the pattern here, it is Jarokha pattern. We found Jarokha pattern in old buildings. Look at the Jarokha pattern given here. There are 4 picture I taken to explain you about Jarokha pattern. Look at the pattern, first, second, third and fourth. Then this jali is from library building in Kerala. See how the edge of the brick is used to make a triangle in the wall. See the edges of a brick arranged to make a jali pattern here in Kerala library. Then have you seen brick that look like triangle? Look at the brick around the tree in this photo. See this one here, it is found in a triangle. Do you see the arc in this photo? This is from a school in Faizabad. Find out. Look for other arches around you and draw them. Arc means, see this one. This is the arc of a wall. Arc means it is formed in a half circle. That's why we can say that it is called arc pattern. Now you found the arc pattern in your round. Have you seen arches in a bridge? Yes, many bridge has in a arc, so we write yes for it. Where else have you seen an arc? So we see many arc pattern in a bridge. Okay, now a special arc in this photo from Orcha. See how the arc is made. It has a nice name, Gungar Wali Mahrab, the arc with a well. See here the new arc pattern is given. It is found in this way. Okay, look at the arc pattern here. This is called an arc pattern. Isn't the jali of this window beautiful? Yes, it is. Look at the jali of this building. It is also looking beautiful. It is made of thin brick. थिन ब्रिक्स की हेल्प से यहाँ पर जाली क्रिएट की गई है और ऐसी थिन ब्रिक्स जाली बनाने में ही काम आती है. हैव यू एवर सीन थिन ब्रिक्स? लुक अराउंड. क्या आपने कभी थिन ब्रिक्स देखी है? थिन ब्रिक्स यानी पतली सी. जो ब्रिक्स पतली होती है उसे थिन ब्रिक कहते हैं और उसकी हेल्प से हम जाली पैटर्न क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagriti school, said that the grandfather used many different kinds of bricks. Some of these are shown in this photo. Which of these bricks have curved edges? See the picture. Is any brick with curved edges? Yes. The brick number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Both the bricks have curved edges. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? So I found 2 faces of a longest brick. See, 1 number and 2. There are 2 faces I found in a longest brick. So we write 2 for it. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? We already learned about it. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? No. But if the bricks are broken into 2 parts and the parts are not equal, then they get more than 6 faces. See, in this picture also we found here the broken bricks. So it has more than 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I found 8 faces here. If the brick is full, then it has only 6 faces, but if the brick is broken, then it has many faces. Okay, now find out. Sorry, so we write yes for it. Okay, now find out the size of a brick. Have you seen bricks of different sizes? So yes, some bricks are small, thin, and some are big and wide. So you take one brick around you and measure it. How long is it? How wide is it? How high is it? Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. So how many bricks will she need to put in a line? Answer of this question you are able to write by measuring the brick. Okay, so we know that how to draw a brick. First, draw a rectangle, then draw a simple line on it and prepare a brick. Okay, now this is the length of a brick. Okay, this is the height of a brick, and this one, it is the wideness of a brick. So you collect a brick around you and measure it with the help of scale. Okay, then if the length of a brick is 10 centimeter, okay, then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if Munia wants to make 1 meter long wall, then she need 10 10 जा 100, यानी कि 1 meter. So he need 10 bricks. How many? If the length of a brick is 10 centimeter, then he need only 10 bricks. If the length of a brick is 20 centimeter, so he need 20 5 100, यानी कि he need only 5 bricks. So we write here 5 for it. Understood? Okay, it is depend on the length of a brick, how many bricks are needed to make a 1 meter long wall. Bricks and bricks, hot and fresh. Ganesh and Saiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. Now what is the meaning of kiln? Kiln, जिसे हम हिंदी में या गुजराती में ईंटों का भट्ठा कहते हैं. ओके, इट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्रिक किल्न, जहाँ पे ईंटें बनाई जाती है. ओके, और देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ब्रिक किल्न इन इंडिया, मोर देन 1100. 1100 means 1 lakh. Okay, can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it about 5 meters, about 15 meters, about 50 meters? So the height of a chimney is very high from the land. See, the chimney, picture of a chimney is given here. Look at the chimney. Okay, the height of a chimney is about 50 meters, about 50 to 60 meters from the land. Okay, Ganesh and Saiba love to look at the patterns of brick in the long. Long lines are kept out to dry. See, the long lines of brick are kept out. This one, okay. They also watch how bricks are made. Here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully and write the correct order in the given blank. See, first of all, if they want to make bricks, then they need soil dug from the earth. So here the picture of soil dug collecting is given here in the C picture. Okay, then the second picture is this one. Then third picture this one. Then they arrange the brick in a line in a fourth one. Okay, so I arrange the order C, D, B and A. Understood? So first they collect soil dug, then the second picture, then third, and then arrange in a line. How do you think a brick is made out of soil dug from the earth? Look at the picture and discuss in group. Here the picture is given, so you discuss with your friend or parents in your home. Okay. Mental maths. Here Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 brick. The prices were also different for different types of bricks. Here the list of a brick is given. Old bricks, rupees 1200 for 1000 brick. New bricks from Intapur, rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. And new bricks from Brickabad, rupees 2000 for 1000 brick. So here the first question is given. See this one. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. How many? 3000 bricks. So how much did he pay? So first we write the cost of 1000 bricks from Brickabad. 1000 bricks is equal to 2000 rupees. Okay, now what is the cost of 3000 bricks? So first we find here the cost of one brick. One brick is equal to how much? So here if you want to find the cost of one brick, then divide the price of a brick with total brick. So 2000 divided by 1000. Okay, when we divide 2000 by 1000, so 1000 1 ja 1000 and 1000 2 ja 2000. So 1000 2 ja 2000. So 2 rupees is the cost of one brick. Now if you want to find the cost of 3000 brick, so simply you divide the 3000 brick multiply by 2. So when we multiply 3000 with 2, we get the answer 6000. Okay, so we find here the total cost of 3000 bricks is equal to 6000 rupees. Okay, understood? Okay, now my second question is, guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. The cost of old brick is 1000 brick is equal to 1200 rupees. Okay, but here he want only 500 bricks, and 500 is a half of 1000 brick. So obviously the money is also he pay half to the for the bricks. Okay, so 500 is a half money, half bricks of 1000. So 500 brick is equal to when we divide 1200 rupees into half, we get the answer 2 6 are 12, and then after we put these two 0, so we get the answer 600 rupees. Okay, so the total cost for 500 bricks is 600 rupees. Understood? Okay, now thank you.